Hi friends, welcome. If this is your first time visiting, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Thank you so much for stopping in. I am so grateful to have you here today, and I am excited because we are going to make some super inexpensive but really cute and fun earrings. So I am using, this is embroidery thread here, and this came from Walmart. It's 58 cents for, one of these little rolls of it. And I like this because it's soft and like silky. And then this, I could use the same color if I wanted to, but I just chose that I'm going to do like a two-tone with this. So this brown, this is also from Walmart, and it was a pack of like friendship bracelet colors, and this one was, I think there was like 16 in a pack for $4.47. So this whole project is super inexpensive, less than like probably 70 cents. And I have a needle just with a big enough hole for this thread to go through, and I have a pair of scissors. Now, the video that was sent to me that I'm trying this from, they put beads on it, and you can do that too, but I just wanted to sort of do it a little bit different. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take this embroidery thread and I'm just going to fold it in half, and then I'm going to cut it in half. And I'm leaving on these pieces here to just keep it all in place. So I'm gonna just kind of take my little needle and go through here because I want the center of my embroidery thread. So I just want to make sure that all of my pieces are open. So there we go, there's that. So I'm just going to kind of pull them all out. Now the video that was sent to me, I'm not sure how it all works as far as like linking other people's videos. So I'm not gonna do that just because I don't normally do other, like other people's stuff. So I'm not exactly sure like how all that works, you know what I mean? But this did, come from a video that someone sent me. All right, so I'm just gonna make sure that's all nice and open. And then I'm going to open this one, and I'm gonna pull out a piece of thread. And I'm just going to take this, and I'm going to loop it around like I was making a tassel. Now, if you wanted to include beads on this, I'll show you, like I'll tell you as I'm going, like how you would do beads on this. I did kind of do one with beads just to try it and see, and I myself just really didn't like it that much, so I'm going to do it without beads. I felt like it would be pretty to do like a two-tone and no beads. But I'll show you. So here it is with beads. And the thing is, like, you can manipulate your beads around, but it's actually sort of hard to get them because this starts to flatten out as you go, and it's sort of hard to get them to stay in like a nice space. You know what I mean? It looks pretty with beads, but it's just sort of hard to get them like even around. And I myself, like, just not really a super fan of that. So that's why I'm going to do the two-tone. But if you like the beads, oh, I dropped it. If you like the beads, I'll just show you where I, put them on. Now, to be fair, I could have not done it right because the video I was watching, they didn't necessarily explain it. They just showed it. Even though it was, pretty easy to follow, I could very well have seen something wrong. You know what I mean? All right, so I'm going to cut off those ends. Again, just make sure that my piece is nice and open. All right, so now I'm going to take another piece of thread, and I'm going to make this one sort of long because I'm going to be doubling it over. So I'm going to take this one and I'm going to just thread it into here. Now, if you are going to use beads, you need to, make sure that you have your needle opening here. Like if it's too large, you want to make sure that it's going to go, that your beads are going to go over it. You know what I mean? All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take this. I just went through the center here, and I'm just going through to just sort of like tie it off. So I'm just going to hold that piece there. I'm just going to pull this up and tie it off. All right, so now I'm going to go, let me cut this tail off actually so it don't get in the way. All right, so here's my needle. I'm going to go like through this little hole and around, and then I'm going to go through, and I'm going to bring my needle and I'm just going to go up through the center of my loop. Now, if I were going to be putting on beads, this is where I would put a bead on and bring it down to there, and then go through, completely through my center. And around. And then you just sort of make sure that your little thread, you want to pull it tight and just, make sure that the piece is above each time. And so my bead would be right there. Then I'm going to go in, and I'm going to go through the center. And just pull it tight. And now, so now I'm just going to go back around, but this time I'm just going to wrap through, because going through the center was just to help flatten it out. So now I'm just going to go up and around. So now I'm just going to take this and go through that back bottom piece there. Yeah, that's cute. All right, I'm going to do this one. All right, so I just took the earring pieces. I used a little eye hook and then the earring piece, and I just stuck it through like the top around. And these are so cute. I just wish that I had paid attention and made this the same size as this. But next time I'll do better with that. And I mean, like, you can make these rainbow, like all kinds of stuff. Like, these are so cute. And then, like, if you want, you can, I don't have like a comb or a brush with like thin needles, but you could definitely like brush these out. So anyways, these turned out really, really cute. Now, aside from the fact that I didn't measure my little circle, I'll have to go back and fix that. You know, I'll probably just get like this same color thread. I have another thing like this, and I'll probably just make, you know, maybe one to match each of these. You know what I mean? But these are really, really, really cute. What a great idea. Super fast, super easy, and super inexpensive. Like even when you add like the hardware and stuff, like maybe $1, you know? So really cute. These are like super cute little like boho earrings. I feel like you would find these at like Target, you know? And then like I said, you can add beads to them if you want. And you could even go in and add beads after the fact so that you get them exactly where you want them, you know? So anyways, here they are. And I like them. I hope you do too. And I hope you have a blessed and beautiful day, friends. I'll see you later. Bye.